Christina. Welcome back. As you know from my previous videos I've done, I mentioned that I was on a journey to cooking more healthy for my husband and I. And I think part of the whole journey of eating more healthy is to have a lot of variety of things that you can eat. And that's what I've been doing. I've been looking through all different types of recipe books, seeing if certain recipes can be converted to something more healthy. And I found a couple of dessert recipes that I wanted to share with you. It's actually a brownie with strawberry lime sorbet. And it's really delicious. We had it last night and I knew I had to make a video to share with you. So first of all, this is how you get started. You need a 15-ounce can of black beans. And again, I like this recipe. I'm using my food processor. In here you have 4 tablespoons of baking cocoa, 2 teaspoons of monk fruit sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Put it in here to mix up. And then you'll add in 1/2 cup of organic oats, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1/3 cup of maple syrup. And it also says you can use raw honey, but I actually prefer the organic, the maple syrup. It's actually much better. It's pure maple syrup. I think it has a better taste. And then you'll blend it up in your processor. Once you feel like it's achieved a good blended consistency, go ahead and add in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla. Blend it again. And then you'll add in the chocolate chips and you'll mix it. You won't blend it at all. Mix it up. And I've got to say, the chocolate chips make a huge difference. I had forgotten to add them in, and I let my husband and my son-in-law try it the very first time I made this, and they did not like it. It had more of a black bean taste. So if you like black beans, then you'll really like that. But when you do add in the chocolate chips, I use Lily's chocolate chips, which are made with stevia. It has a much better flavor. Then you'll want to transfer it to an 8x8 baking dish. I have pre-greased it with avocado oil. But you could use any type of oil, whether it be coconut oil or whatever it is, just again, not the rancid oils like sunflower or canola. Then the recipe calls for it to bake for 15 to 20 minutes. When I cooked it for 15, 16 minutes, it was a little bit too gooey. So I would definitely recommend going all the way to the 20 minutes. Then it won't be fudgy. It will be more of a solid consistency. Now I'm going to share with you how to make the strawberry lime sorbet. First of all, you're going to need 1 cup of coconut milk, and I just buy it in the can. You're going to need 1/4 cup of monk fruit sugar, 1/2 of a lime that you've peeled, stick it in there, and then about 3 cups of frozen strawberries. You'll just put it all into your mixer. Start it out slow. You want to push down all the ingredients for about 60 to 80 seconds, and you don't want to blend it too much or else it'll melt it, because sometimes when you blend something really hard in the Vitamix, it'll get really hot and melt it. But then when it's all done, it's like a sorbet, and you can take it off and open it up. You can scoop it onto your cooled brownie. This is a great summer dessert that I know you and your family will enjoy. Remember, life is a gift. Have a great day.